Olwam invests. So the money that you invest is the money that belongs to you. That's P. So this 10,000 right here, it is the money that Olwam have. The 10,000 is the value of P, the present money. You cannot invest what you don't have in a financial institution at a simple interest rate of we are given simple interest. They're telling us which formula to use. The formula for simple interest now of 13.5%. This is the interest rate. I hope it makes sense. For 6 years we do have N. Then they want us to calculate. Let's actually write down all our data. We have the 10,000 rands as the value of P. Then the interest rate, it is 13.5%. Then we do have the number of period, or the time period, which is 6 years. We don't have the value of A, meaning the value of A is what we're going to actually write after. This is what we're going to calculate. So this will help us to know what is that we have and what is it that we don't have. Calculate the money that Olwam will have at the end of 6 years of his investment. So the will part here, or the last statement, or what they want us to do here, they're telling us about the money that you will have in future, meaning it is the future value, the accumulated amount. I hope that makes sense. Okay, therefore we use simple interest because they told us about simple interest in our statement, right? So P plus I 1 plus IN close bracket. Therefore the value of P, we do have the 10,000 rands. 1 plus, can open the brackets if you want, but even if you didn't, so you know that the 13.5% must be written in decimal, meaning you're going to divide whatever that you're given by 100. So our answer, use your calculator. So the answer is going to be 0.135. So this is the value of I. You multiply it by N. The value of N is 6. Therefore A equal to, you punch everything in your calculator. This must be okay, let me use my calculator right here. So it is 18,100. So this is the value of the accumulated amount. And if you can compare them, you see the value of P here. We have 10,000, and the value of A, we have 18,100. Meaning, under in simple interest, not simple interest, but under interest, what you must know is that the value of A is greater than the value of P, or P is less than A, meaning the present amount should be greater than the amount that you're going to have in future. So the amount that you have right now as a learner or as a student will be less than the money that you're going to have in the future, only if you're going to tackle your finances smart. I hope it makes sense. So you'll be forever smiling whenever you use your money, when you invest actually, and when you know how to make your savings and everything. So the money that you have now will be less than the money that you're going to have in a few years to come.